Imagine sending just one link instead of a floor plan, quotation, bill of materials, and endless WhatsApp messages. Your customer opens it and instantly sees camera placement, coverage areas, equipment specifications, and pricing all in one interactive proposal. That's what you can create with MAPOG Field Sales and Service. Now compare that with how most CCTV proposals are still presented today. The floor plan is shared in one file. The quotation comes as a PDF. The bill of materials is sent separately. Camera locations are explained over WhatsApp or phone calls. Then customers start asking, where exactly is camera 5 going? Will this camera cover the parking area? Why is this quotation more expensive? Everything is available, but nothing is connected. Let's see how MAPOG brings everything together into one interactive proposal that customers can understand in minutes. With MAPOG Field Sales and Service, that's exactly how CCTV proposals work. Every project starts with a customer inquiry. Along with the customer site details are storage with this, and instead of losing leads inside WhatsApp chats, every detail is stored in a dedicated sales pipeline and individual lead is assigned for each site. Once the site is created, upload the building floor plan and start planning using cameras plan and add floor plan and place cameras directly on it. Place each camera exactly where it will be installed. Visualize its viewing direction. Check the coverage area. Identify blind spots, and even verify DORI compliance before installation begins. Now your customer doesn't have to imagine where the cameras will go. They can instantly see coverage for entrances, parking areas, reception, warehouses, office corridors, exit points. Everything becomes easy to understand without another phone call. But camera placement is only part of the proposal. Customers also want to know what they're paying for. Instead of looking at a separate quotation, they simply click on any camera in the interactive proposal. They can immediately view camera model, resolution, viewing angle, coverage distance, equipment specifications, and even the camera price and installation cost. Every camera is connected to the quotation, so customers understand exactly what each item contributes to their overall security solution instead of comparing only the final price. Cameras, NVRs, switches, storage devices, cabling, accessories, and installation costs are all calculated together. As the camera layout changes, MAPOG automatically generates an accurate bill of materials. No more manual updates, no more calculation errors, and quotations can be prepared in just a few clicks. Once everything is ready, there's no need to send multiple PDFs, Excel sheets, screenshots, or long WhatsApp messages. Simply share one interactive proposal link. Your customer can explore the complete design, camera placement, coverage areas, equipment details, bill of materials, and pricing, all from a single screen. The biggest advantage isn't just creating better quotations. It's helping customers clearly understand the entire security solution before installation even begins. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.